over the weekend found himself boat cruising down in Lagos, and he was on the beach. Remember, we saw Tabang and what's her name? Tati spent some days on the beach, but this time round, it's Miracle OP doing what we call the boat cruise. Welcome to you, Afro Television. How are you guys? I know you're watching us from a group by the names of Rock and David. Smash the like button, comment and share. Continue to subscribe, guys, to is that we really grow huge in numbers, because the more we grow huge in numbers, the more we are going to find ourselves in a position of really competing with the best of the best into the world. Now, on Saturday, Miracle just found himself steep out, on the boat cruise with some girls in there for you. Will it be good news to Ipeleng? I don't know. But all in all, I want to leave you with Miracle OP enjoying a boat cruise down in Lagos. Miracle OP, over to the viewers of Afro Television.
People below the dock, hold on. We got people below the dock, yes sir. And we got people above the dock. What you talk about? Fuck out of here. Stupid ass. We moving! Yes sir. Beach day, baby, you know the vibe. Stop fucking around. Don't fuck around, eh? Don't fuck around, Moss. Yeah? That's beautiful, eh? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, man. This is beautiful. You know we always chasing good vibes? Hold on. What is she doing? That shit is crazy. What is he doing? Yeah? Now we moving, baby. We moving, baby. We moving like this. This Belanga's essay, but she's going to worry about it. For the AMVCA, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Woo! I'm great. Asking me if I'm good. I'm scared. I think my bucket hat though. Hold on. Hold on. Check the drip. Hold on, check the drip. Yeah? Nah, it's a movie, baby. Yes, sir. That's how BJ goes on in the vibes. Tomorrow, I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna see you kids. Yeah. Say something to the people. Imagine if your phone just goes away right now, bro. What would you say? What did you say?
I'm from that kingdom.
What? That is crazy. What did you just say? Did you just say from the kingdom? That is wild. Yo, we got a mermaid in the building. We got a mermaid. Yes, sir. Everything is on the boat. We got mermaids. We got sugar. Hey, man. We got everything. Yo, let's go, baby. Yes, sir, baby.
Alright, you've watched Miracle OP doing his stuff, and now I call upon your reactions into the comment section below about Miracle OP cruising, all boat cruising over the weekend. And I would like to send my consolement to Arsenal fans all over the world that I know today you've officially handed the trophy over to Man City, but that's what sport is all about. In sports, we have three results: a W, which is a win, an L, which is a loss, and a D, which is a draw. So in any game of football that you go in, you expect any of those. And today, Arsenal found themselves in a losing position as they lost to a side known as Brighton by 3-0. Very humiliating, but nevertheless not too late for the start of next season. And remember, the season is ending on 28th. Then I think around 15th June fixtures will be out, and that's it all. So guys, I cover you all in the precious blood of Jesus Christ. If at all you want to really see me do more sports, Rokani Media Football is the place to be, and the United Matters channel. I cover you all in the precious blood of Jesus Christ. I'll sign out for now. See you later. Bye bye.